In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the dashboard within the Center of Excellence Starter Kit called as Pulse Dashboard. Now, Pulse Dashboard, as it indicates that it gives you a pulse information about your organization. Now, basically, it's all about the feedback you receive from your staff or from your employees. Now, how does this feedback gets incorporated and presented as a form of report that I'm going to cover in this video. Now, as you see, this dashboard contains pulse overview and pulse details. Now, in pulse overview, you will be able to see the count of pulse feedback received. So I've received two feedback and two of them, both of them are positive. There's no negative feedback. Feedback sentiment is positive and it is coming from Microsoft Business Application Department. Okay. Now, feedback sentiment over time, it is positive as of now. Pulse details, I will be able to see some more text based information. Okay, so I received a sentiment of positive, current satisfaction is say good and happy, future ideas is something listed over here, and I have received this feedback from Girish and created on so and so date. Now, from where does this information gets populated? Like once you load this report, you may not see any data, but how do you populate this information? So now, from where this information comes, this all information comes from uh, something called as a Microsoft Forms. Okay. Now, how does this form gets triggered? Okay. Now, there is an app within Center of Excellence Starter Kit called as Nurture Apps Maker. Okay. Now, what happens in this Nurture Apps Maker is uh, admin can register, schedule a training. Okay, and you can, like in you as an end user, can register for that training. So once you register for that training, and once that training is completed, okay, so let's assume say this training is now completed. Okay, Microsoft Center of Excellence Starter Kit will send you an email. Okay, it will send you an email and it will sort for some feedback. Now, as you see, Power Platform event feedback request dashboard in a day. Okay, so I've received some feedback. It says, "Thank you for attending the event. We hope you enjoyed the event. Provide me the feedback." The moment you click on feedback survey, it will be taken you to this particular page. Now, this page is basically can be configured in the Center of Excellence Starter Kit by providing the um, feedback form. So once you fill this form, this particular information gets registered in the backend system, and once the Power BI data gets refreshed, this information will be populated over here. Okay, so that's it, folks. That's all about Pulse dashboard within the Center of Excellence Starter Kit. Thanks for watching.